Hello everyone. I would like to introduce an intelligent water level controller which is fully automatic designed by Shark Company from Hyderabad. The main purpose of this water level controller is to save water, power, money as well as time. Here I will explain the connections of the sensors and their indicating colors. The top diagram describes about the overhead tank. The second one describes about the sump. The third one describes about the submersible starter green button, and the last one describes about the AC input and the motor connection. Now coming to the sensor connection wires, this wire is for the tank sensor connection. It consists of 6 sensing wires, each of 6 different colors. The black one indicates the common sensor or the common sensing wire. The red one is connected to the 25% water level indicator sensor in the overhead tank, which indicates the 25% water level of the overhead tank. Simultaneously, the yellow one is for the 50%, the green one is for the 75%, the blue one is for the 100% or the full tank, and the white one is for the dry run sensor. Similarly, this is the sump sensor connection wire. It consists of 4 sensing wires. Here the black wire is for the common sensor, the red one is for the 25% water level indicating sensor, the yellow one is for the 50% level sensor, and the green one is for the 100% or the tank full sensor. Here, now these wires are the submersible starter green button connection wires. These green wires are to be connected on the green side of the starter button, and these two yellow wires are to be connected on the yellow side of the starter button. And here these two terminals are for the AC input and these two terminals are for the motor. And this is the fuse protector. This is the automatic mode, and the intermediate position of the switch acts as the off, and this position is for the bypass mode. When we switch on the water level controller, the functionality of the system starts only after 1 minute of the passage of the power in order to save the motor from sudden fluctuations which may harm the motor. This LED indicator indicates the normal voltage. When the sump sensor detects 25% of the water level, then 25% LED will glow. And when the sump reaches 50% level, then 50% LED will glow. And automatically it switches on the motor only if the tank level is less than 50%. When the motor is on, then the motor indication LED will glow. If the sump level is 100%, then the 100% indicator will automatically glow. And when the sump level is less than 25%, then it automatically turns off the motor as well as the motor LED stops glowing. When the dry run sensor senses the water flow, then the water flow indicators will glow. If at all the dry run is not sensing water flow until 1.5 minutes, then the motor will automatically shut down. Then the motor indication LED will change from green color to red color, and the water indication LEDs will turn off. If the tank level is 25%, the 25% indicator will glow. Similarly, the 50%, 75% and 100% LED indicators will glow as soon as the tank has 50, 75 and 100% levels. If the tank reaches 100%, the 100% indicator will glow and automatically the motor turns off. The motor indication and the flow indication LEDs will also turn off. The motor doesn't turn on till the water level in the tank is less than 50% and the sump level is at least 50%. If the sump level is less than 50%, the sump 50% LED will stop glowing. The motor will still continue pumping from the sump. Simultaneously, the sump level 25% is decreasing. Then automatically the motor will turn off. At the same time, 25% LED stops glowing and the flow indication LEDs will also stop glowing. If the tank level decreases to 75% and the sump level is above 50%, If we want to fill the tank, then we have to press need reset button, and then the motor will turn on automatically. And when the tank level reaches to 100%, the motor turns off automatically. If the sump level is less than 25%, and irrespective of the tank level, if it is say 75% or 25%, if we want to turn on the motor, we have to press the manual button. Automatically the motor will start in manual mode. After reaching 100% tank level, it would be shifted to automatic mode and immediately the motor will get stopped.